medium blade screwdriver, 2 long shank short screwdrivers, a seal pick, 3/8 ratchet, and a 6mm Allen wrench. Okay, what we're going to do is a short presentation on how to replace the front seal in a TR50 mixer. Even though most mixers the seal replacement is the same. So you're going to have a cone on the front. It is left-handed threads. Loosen it with a screwdriver. Spin it off. Once you get it off, you've got a 6mm cylinder head bolt inside. Back it out. Then you can pull your blade off. Take your 2 small screwdrivers. Work your seal out. And then take another small screwdriver and a pick. Work your internal stationary seal out. It does come with an O-ring, so you have to take your O-ring out. Wash everything up with alcohol. Go back together. Make sure you wash the face of the seal with alcohol. Install the new seal. Do not use metal against it. Put it up against it. Take your new face. Remember, this is your face. It's smaller. The rubber goes to the outside. Push your new seal on. Put your blade. It is splined, but it doesn't matter. It's not a certain area. It goes on either way. So put your blade on. Put your nut in. The blade preloads the seal, so once you have tightened it, the seal has its preload already on it. Adjust it to the torque pounds specifications. On that one should be somewhere around 10 foot-pounds. Then remember, it is left-hand thread, so it goes on with a left hand counterclockwise. Well, once on, snug it up, and that's it. Seal replacement for a TR50. And most units are the same, being TR60, 90 and above.